What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video, guys, is about Tesla. You should already know that earnings season is in session and they report this week. And as a result, I got to talk about it in preparation for its big day, okay? So without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Also, let me know if you guys want to do a one-day play this week, otherwise known as ODP, and if so, make sure you leave it down in the comments. Okay guys, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $62,992.59 on the day. I got crushed, man. Let me tell you, the stock market right now is trading on the fact of whether or not we're going to get a stimulus or not. If it feels like we're not, then you'll see this type of thing happen where I'm down over 1.5%. If it feel like we will, then you guys will see the portfolio go up. That includes your portfolio as well, okay? Listen guys, I started this account January with $0, man. I come on here each and every day to show you guys how to properly build an investment portfolio. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and join me on the road to 100K. Okay guys, today is about Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, currently sitting at $433.70. Listen, man, Tesla has been pretty steady this past few weeks, okay? I want to show you this 1 week chart. Okay, if you look at this chart, follow my screen around if you can. Tesla has maintained between the 430 and the 460 range, okay? No matter how you slice it, that's pretty good for a stock like Tesla in terms of the volatility not being too crazy, okay? As a result though, it's on the lower end of the range, okay? 430 to 460. Our buy zone is 415, okay? Again, if it ever falls to the 300s again, it will be 387 or 365. I don't foresee it touching that low right now, okay, unless something crazy happens that, again, I just don't see coming, okay? However, 415 would be our next buy zone for those of you that want to add more shares at a lower cost. Don't forget, the price target moving forward for Tesla is 515, okay? It's going to head to 515 from here, okay? So again, get your position established. Let me know if you got your 100 shares of this or how many shares you have of this. And again, know that our next stop is 515, okay? Again, we have to test the 475 range. We got to test 485 before it can break through fully. But when it does, and a good earnings will do that, maybe an inclusion in the S&P 500 will help it as well. And then it will bust through and head to our next price target, okay? So guys, make sure that you are, again, watching closely with Tesla for this week. They always have newsworthy things to be in tune with. So again, aside from just watching the price, make sure that you're keeping up with all the things they have going on. And again, guys, make sure you're in this one for the long haul if you can be, okay? Up next, guys, is our word of the day, and our word of the day is priced in. Listen guys, I told you a while ago, especially for you new and beginning investors, that the stock market is a forward-looking vehicle, okay? So the stock market don't care about yesterday, it don't care about last week, it don't care about last month, okay? The stock market is looking forward, and as a result, it prices things in, okay? Just like some of your stocks, sometimes I see you guys get left holding the bag when you shouldn't be because you guys are missing how investing works, okay? When information is priced in. So for instance, those of you that may be in Workhorse and then you're waiting on the contract to be announced and you just don't know about investing, but you're hanging on to that stock for that reason, okay? That news has been priced in already, okay? When it hit 30, when I told you guys to buy it at 7 and we watched it go up to 30, how it got to 30 was that news being priced in. Okay, since then, just using this as an example, this is no knock on Workhorse. Since then, it has fell from 30 down to 22. It has touched 21, but 22 seems to be where the resistance and support is at, okay? And so as a result, the next buy zone for that would be around $20, okay? But that contract, using that example, was priced in. Using Tesla, since that was our stock for today, we talked about Tesla, battery day, all the information, the hype surrounded that information was priced in leading up to September 22nd, okay? And so guys, you guys got to understand, as new and beginning investors, the stock market as a whole, meaning the S&P 500, the Dow, as well as some of your stocks that you have in your portfolio, is already pricing in good news, okay? And so sometimes the spike that you think is going to happen on a particular day, that spike may happen a week or two in advance, and you guys are missing that's the big run up right there, okay? And so I just wanted to talk about what priced in means, and so that you guys can go back to the drawing board, think about all the stocks that you hold, think about any news that's coming down the pipe that could make the stock move higher. The stock typically will go higher days leading up to, not on the actual day. Okay, same with earnings. Sometimes you see that a good earnings call does not mean all the time that the stock flies through the roof. Sometimes a stock can do its thing at earnings and still go down. So again, that means the news is already priced in. Put that in your back pocket, guys. Next time I'm gonna talk to you guys about priced out, so that you guys can know what that means. More importantly, how to look for it and how to see when it's happened in your particular place. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Patricia Haller. Hi, quick question. So I checked on my home because I did a 5% trailing stop and saw it was not on my list, so it sold. I was missing it. Okay, she's saying it was no longer in her portfolio. So this means I can rebuy back in without a wash sale. This is a great question, Pete, and I thank you for sending this. Okay, to answer Patricia's questions, guys, she put a trailing stop loss on it, and then it sold her position in the stock home. At home is the play, HOME, okay? And listen, she's asking, will it count as a wash sale if she rebought back in? Guys, I talk to you about taxes a lot. And so again, a wash sale is when you sell a stock and buy it right away, waiting less than 30 seconds or waiting less than 1 minute, okay? If you ever need to, for whatever reason, rebuy back a stock, say you sold it, took profits, but you still like the stock and then you want to get at a lower price, if you can wait 30 minutes to 24 hours so that you can move past the period where it will constitute as a wash sale, okay? If you can hold out that long, it won't register on your trading as a wash sale, as a buy and sell or sell and buy, okay? So listen, keep that in mind. If you ever need to do that, if you can, give it a 24-hour grace. You might even get it at a lower price, or at least wait 30 minutes to make sure that it doesn't count as a wash sale. But back to the taxes thing. If you ever do that, the reason why you don't want to buy it right away is because if you buy it back right away, you can't write off that. If you're making a bunch of money, you can't apply that towards your $3,000. And so again, just give it some time so that the loss can still count towards that $3,000 write-off we get, guys, with all this money we making. But then buy it back and go hit another home run with the same exact play. I hope that was helpful, guys. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.